October 29th, 1942.
The man,
The myth,
the legend.
Bob Ross was born.
This episode is dedicated to you.
The joy of painting.
Hi, welcome back. I'm glad you could join me today.
Vast landscapes. Friend of nature.
I have one of my little friends here that's having lunch while we're doing this. What is it? Peekaboo.
Happy mistakes.
We don't make mistakes. We have happy accidents.
Big heart.
And if you can do things all of your life that make you happy, needless to say, you're going to be a happy person.
The legend. Bob Ross.
A little more color. In your world, you create any illusion that you want. Notice this separation. It's caused because of the difference in color. Take care of it. Treasure it. There. Yeah, let's go up in here. Now, maybe in our world, there lives, does now, some little trees back in here. Now, these are a little closer. You're seeing a little more detail. There we go. I have a little family of trees. You know, if you've painted with me before, I think everybody should have a friend, even a tree. Even a tree needs a friend. Because we don't make mistakes here. We have happy accidents. All kinds of little dooders. These little details are what will make your painting look a little more finished. All of us here, I'd like to wish you happy painting, and God bless, my friend.
Let's take a break from Bob Ross and let's see what people are being for Halloween.
What are you going to be for Halloween? I'm going to be a Care Bear.
What are you being for Halloween?
Stargirl.
Spider-Man.
A bear.
Myself.
A witch.
A Pikachu.
Pika!
What are you being for Halloween?
A Ravenclaw. Some man from the 1800s. A blue halo man.
A librarian.
Kyle Oatman.
A deer.
What are you guys being for Halloween?
Jaden. Julia.
Harley Quinn.
Alonzo Borjas.
What are you being for Halloween? I'm being a Care Bear.
Don't know what to be for Halloween? Well, then be Bob Ross. It's easy. I'll show you how. Let's get started. A brown eyeliner pen makes for a great mustache and beard. Just mark it around the face, but don't forget to fill in all of your gaps. That looks nice. Then get a button-up shirt, cuff the sleeves and roll them a bit. And then go ahead and unbutton it just a little. You can't really be Bob Ross without the afro. Find a wig and slip it on. Finish it off with a paintbrush. Good luck.
Nature, wow, it's pretty neat. Don't you agree, Dawson?
Yeah.
And we just spotted this turtle. I'm gonna back away because they like to make you think they're slow. And then when you're not watching, bam! Just making sure. Wow! That's pretty neat! I'm gonna leave him here so he can eat his... I think he eats like dirt, maybe rocks. Okay, today we're here with more nature. See, we're walking along here, trying to find some nature. Nature's neat. Me, camera guy, it's a tree. You know it's a tree because it's big, tall. That's the same thing. And green. Tree equals big, tall, green. Let's go. Horses are nature. Come on, nature horse. Nature horse. Nature loves me. Come on, guys. Come on. Nature Day. Nature Day. Nature Day. Look, it's a big nature tree. Well, looks like enough nature for today. We got a lot of neatness in, but now in my bedtime, because it's like 6:30. Okay, bye.
Happy birthday, Bob Ross. And that was 5 things in less than 5 minutes. Take 5.